Ever wondered what kind of seafood dishes are loved across the vast and diverse landscape of Asia? Welcome to a gastronomic journey that will take us across 3 countries in Asia, each with a unique seafood dish that has captured the hearts and taste buds of locals and travelers alike. Asia, the largest and most populous continent, is home to a myriad of cultures, each boasting its own unique culinary traditions. The cuisine here is as diverse as its geography, with flavors and ingredients as varied as the people who call this vast continent home. From the spicy curries of South Asia to the subtle, balanced flavors of East Asia, there's something to tantalize every palate. Now imagine a banquet with all these flavors, and at the center of it all, seafood. Yes, seafood plays a pivotal role in Asian cuisine. It's not just about the availability of a diverse range of seafood, due to the continent's extensive coastline and numerous water bodies. It's also about the innovative and flavorful ways this seafood is cooked and served. Whether it's served raw, as in Japanese sushi, cooked in a fiery hot soup like the Thai tom yum, or sautéed with an array of fragrant spices as in Singapore's chili crab, seafood is a star ingredient in Asian cuisine. It's a testament to the region's culinary prowess and the people's deep-rooted connection to the sea. So why seafood? Well, besides being a rich source of protein, it is also packed with essential nutrients and minerals. It's not just about health, though. The sheer variety of seafood available across Asia and the many ways it can be prepared make it a versatile ingredient that can be tailored to suit different tastes and preferences. As we embark on this culinary adventure, we'll explore the stories behind these dishes, the ingredients that make them special, and the chefs who have perfected them over generations. So, are you ready for a deep dive into the ocean of Asian seafood dishes? Stay tuned as we delve into 3 traditional seafood dishes that have made a significant mark on Asian cuisine. The first dish on our list takes us to the land of the rising sun, Japan, home to the world-renowned sushi. Journey with us back in time to the 8th century when sushi first emerged as a method of preserving fish. It was not until the Edo period, between the 17th and 19th centuries, that sushi evolved into something closely resembling what we know today. Sushi for centuries has held a significant place in Japan's cultural fabric. It's not just a dish, it's an art form, a symbol of harmony and balance. It's a testament to the Japanese philosophy of appreciating the natural flavors of ingredients where less is indeed more. The traditional sushi is a harmonious blend of vinegared rice, neta, which is typically fresh seafood, and a dash of wasabi. The seafood, the star of the show, ranges from tuna, salmon, and prawns to the more exotic sea urchin and octopus. The freshness of the seafood is paramount, a testament to the Japanese commitment to quality and perfection. Sushi comes in various forms, each with its unique charm. There's nigiri, hand-pressed sushi topped with neta, and maki, where rice and neta are rolled in seaweed. Then there's chirashi, a delightful sushi bowl with scattered toppings, and inari, sushi rice, and a pouch of fried tofu. Each type of sushi, with its unique blend of textures and flavors, offers a different culinary adventure. The method of preparing sushi is as captivating as the dish itself. It's a delicate dance between the sushi chef's hands and the ingredients, a testament to years of rigorous training and dedication. From selecting the freshest seafood to the precision in slicing and assembling each piece, every step is performed with utmost care and respect for the ingredients. Sushi, a simple yet sophisticated dish that truly encapsulates the essence of Japanese cuisine. It's Japan's culinary gift to the world, a dish that transcends borders, a dish that, despite its simplicity, offers an endless journey of discovery and delight. A mouthful of sushi is a taste of Japan's history, culture, and spirit, a testament to their pursuit of harmony and perfection in every aspect of life. Next, we take a tantalizing trip to Thailand, where our taste buds are set ablaze by the spicy and tangy tom yum soup. Originating from the heart of Thailand, tom yum soup carries a rich history, as it is not just a dish, but a testament to the country's vibrant culture and unique culinary tradition. This spicy sour soup has been warming the hearts and stomachs of Thais for centuries, earning a reputation as a comfort food that is much more than just a bowl of soup. It's a symphony of flavors, a culinary journey, and a cultural experience all in one. The magic of tom yum soup lies in its ingredients, a harmonious blend of local produce and fresh seafood. Traditionally, the soup is loaded with succulent prawns, but it's not uncommon to find variations with fish, squid, or a mix of seafood. These ingredients from the ocean's bounty imbue the soup with a rich, savory depth that complements the other flavors. But what truly sets Tom Yum soup apart is its unique combination of spices and herbs. Lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and galangal, a relative of ginger, form the aromatic backbone of the soup, while bird's eye chilies and lime juice add that fiery, tangy kick that Tom Yum is famous for. The preparation of Tom Yum soup is an art form in itself. The ingredients are carefully simmered to extract maximum flavor. As the heat gently teases out the essence of the herbs and spices, it amalgamates with the seafood to create a broth that is both invigorating and soothing. The end result is a soup that dances on the palate, a play of flavors that is at once sour, sweet, salty, and spicy. It's a dish that doesn't just satisfy your hunger, but also awakens your senses and warms your soul. It's a taste of Thailand in every spoonful, a testament to the country's culinary prowess and its people's love for food. Tom Yum soup, a dish that perfectly balances the four fundamental taste senses: sour, sweet, salty, and spicy. Last, but certainly not least, we arrive at the vibrant city-state of Singapore, renowned for its chili crab. This dish is a cultural symbol, a testament to the city's culinary diversity and its love for bold, spicy flavors. The chili crab is more than a meal. It's a story of Singapore's history and its rich tapestry of flavors. The tale of the chili crab begins in the mid-20th century, a creation of Singapore's seaside kampungs, or villages. It was born from the inventive spirit of street hawkers who mixed local spices and flavors with the plentiful crab catch from the surrounding waters. Today it stands as a culinary icon, embodying the fiery spirit and multicultural heritage of this island nation. The magic of the chili crab lies in its ingredients. The star of the show is, of course, the crab, typically a mud crab, prized for its sweet, tender flesh. But it's the sauce that truly defines this dish. A heady blend of chilies, tomatoes and eggs. It's a riot of flavors: sweet, savory, spicy and tangy all at once. The chili provides the punch, the tomato lends a sweetness, and the eggs give it a rich, velvety texture. It's a sauce that demands to be mopped up with mantu, a type of Chinese steamed bun, ensuring that not a drop is wasted. The cooking method is a dance of precision and timing. The crabs are stir-fried in the sauce, allowing them to soak up all the flavors. It's a fast, high-heat process that seals in the juices and ensures the crab meat remains succulent. The taste of chili crab is a culinary journey. One bite and you're hit with the sauce's fiery heat, quickly followed by the sweet, briny taste of the crab. It's a dish that challenges and delights the palate, a gastronomic adventure that mirrors the dynamic, diverse spirit of Singapore itself. Chili crab, a dish that is as bold and dynamic as the nation it represents. So there you have it, 3 traditional Asian seafood dishes that have captured the hearts of foodies worldwide. We've journeyed through the vibrant flavors of Asia, from Japan's delicate sushi, Thailand's fiery Tom Yum soup, to Singapore's hearty chili crab. Each dish, a testament to the culinary genius and rich food culture of its origin, offers a unique taste experience. Sushi, a global symbol of Japan's culinary finesse, is more than just a dish, it's an art form. With its meticulously arranged ingredients and a perfect balance of flavors, sushi is a true celebration of the sea's bounty. Then there's Tom Yum soup, a spicy, sour and aromatic concoction that embodies the essence of Thai cuisine. This dish is a symphony of flavors, with fresh shrimp playing the lead, enhanced by a medley of herbs and spices. Its invigorating taste profile is a testament to Thailand's penchant for complex flavors. And who could forget Singapore's chili crab? This national dish is a beautiful fusion of East and West, with its succulent crab meat bathed in a tangy, sweet and spicy sauce. It's a dish that demands to be savored, a mouth-watering testament to Singapore's multicultural culinary landscape. These 3 dishes, despite their geographical and cultural differences, share a common thread: the freshness of the seafood, the simplicity of the preparation and the balance of flavors. They showcase the true essence of Asian cuisine. A harmony of taste, texture and aroma that creates a sensory experience beyond mere sustenance. We hope you've enjoyed this culinary journey across Asia. These dishes are but a glimpse into the vast and diverse world of Asian seafood cuisine. There's so much more to explore, so many more flavors to experience, so don't forget to subscribe, share and comment about your favorite Asian seafood dishes. Your journey into the world of Asian cuisine is only just beginning. Until next time, bon appetit!